Gavin, I can't see. Gavin, can you move to the side?
That was cute.
No, just move to the other side of opposite Jolene. Opposite Jolene.
Nothing like a cold baby on a hot day.
Honey, on the other side, baby. Over here. No, right there. Right beside. Oh, Jesus Christ. Gavin. Right here. Look at this side. Yes. You can stand right there. There you go. Now talk to her. This is really sad.
Look at Giselle. She's got her own little puddle. Washing hair.
Giselle, what are you doing?
Is this better than Mark and Cindy's or what? Is this better than Mark and Cindy's or what?
Yeah.
Keep your eye on that baby, Jenna. Keep your eye on that baby.
I am.
And kids drown and shit like that, so.
She's having fun. She's got the biggest grin on her face.
Ice cold baby. Ice baby. That's funny. Looks like she's sitting in the car.
I know.
Jolene, you should have seen her looking over at us. It's funny. Oh no! What's the matter?
The wind moved. Honey, you can still play in the water. I want to see you in there. Go, Gavin.
Hey, Gavin, wait before you get in there. Let's change the pee out.
No, he's teasing you.
I'll wait until you get in there. Well, if it was cold, there's no pee in there. If it's warm, there's pee in there.
He's teasing you. Redneck swimming pool.